The Word of God is clear that Israel has not been replaced by the Church. Come and hear special guest speaker, Iranian-born, former Muslim, Pastor Shahram Hadian in his powerful and direct talk entitled, Israel is Not Replaced. This presentation will address how the Abrahamic Covenant is not over, as the ongoing theological errors are destroying biblical support for Israel and the Jewish people. Please join us at 6:30 p.m. on Thursday, May 8th. In this captivating presentation, Shahram will dive into topics like why a Christian Persian supports Israel, how Israel is God's timepiece for end-time events, the miracle of Israel's rebirth in the coming Promised Land, exposing the myth of Palestine, the alarming rise of Islam and Jew hatred, making sense of anti-Semitism, normalizing the Third Temple, will the Jews rebuild it? Israel is now ripe for the deception of the Antichrist. We must continue to pray for the salvation of the Jews. Pastor Shahram Hadian is the founder of the Truth and Love Ministry. A Christian pastor and former Muslim, Shahram was born in Iran, came to America to escape an oppressive Islamic regime, and had a powerful conversion to Christianity in 1999. Shahram's timely presentations have been produced and shared globally on numerous DVDs and thousands of radio and television programs. We look forward to seeing you on Thursday, May 8th at 6:30 p.m.